How to update work location in Zoom application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily update your work location on your Zoom application. So if you're also wondering that you have been working remotely or on site, and if you want to change the status, then what you can do is first just open up your Zoom application and make sure you're logged into your account, and simply select this profile icon at the top right corner, just like this. And once you're inside here, you can see there's an option called work location. So you can basically turn this off based on your choice. So if you want to update it, like let's say you are working in an office or remote environment, so you can basically choose accordingly. So let's say I'm working remotely currently, so I will simply select remotely, just like this, and my work location will be updated and the team can view just like this. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.